Hi, in this lesson we're gonna see how to install Docker on Linux, and in this case in Ubuntu distribution. If you go to this URL docker.com engine/install/Ubuntu, or if you search for Docker install Ubuntu, you're gonna find this URL. Okay, the first thing to do is to run this command in order to remove older version of Docker. We're gonna open a terminal. You can go to your application and search for terminals and then run this command. Let's clear the screen. Control-Shift-V in order to paste the command. And after that, we can begin installing Docker. The first thing that we have to do is to update our Ubuntu distribution by launching sudo apt-get update. Then we have to install these packages, certificates, curl, GNU-PG, LSB release. And after that, we're gonna add also the official GPG key. So let's just run this command. And after that, let's add also this command to the installation process. We say yes. Then let's go to step number 3 and let's run this command in order to add the Docker repository to Ubuntu registry here on our distribution. And finally, we can launch the right command in order to install Docker. Let's update our Ubuntu distribution again. And let's copy this line here, sudo apt-get install docker ce docker c cli and container.io. These are the software that we need in order to run Docker on Ubuntu. Okay, it seems that everything went right, and in order to test our Docker program, we can launch this command: docker run hello world. Hello world is a container that the only thing that it does is just to output hello world. So if everything went right, Docker is gonna download this image from Docker Hub, and then it's gonna run that image in a container and show that message. Let's put sudo before the command, and you can see here, hello from Docker. It means that it worked. The message shows that your installation appears to be working correctly. You can see that in order to run this container, these four steps were executed. The Docker client contacted the Docker daemon. The Docker daemon pulled the hello world image from the Docker Hub. The Docker daemon created a new container from that image, which runs the executable that produces the output that you can see here. And then after that, the Docker daemon streamed that output to the Docker client, which sent it to your terminal, and that's what we see here. And now if we also run sudo docker image ls, we can see here that we have the hello world image. We also have this image node that I installed some days ago, and this is the command in order to see all the images that we have installed. Okay, so now it means that we have Docker up and running here in our Ubuntu distribution, and we're ready to begin learning how to use Docker Desktop for our programming tasks. Okay, see you, bye.